Hey, you're welcome to third today's vocabulary beat up challenge, day 26. Don't forget, I am Teacher Born, and in today's lesson, we're going to study the word outrageous. And I would like you to please repeat after me. Come on, let's go together. Outrageous. Very good. Let's have that again. Outrageous. Very good. So, outrageous is actually an adjective which has two main uses. Point one, it can be used to describe something that is extremely shocking or offensive. For example, his behavior was outrageous. Point two, it can be used to describe something that is very bold, unusual, or extravagant. For example, she wore an outrageous outfit to the party. So just imagine you walk into your favorite coffee shop just to find out that someone bought a cup of coffee for $1,000. You're like, hey, how much? That was outrageous. So, I'd like us to have a few examples to better your understanding of the word outrageous. Let's have the first example. The prices at the new boutique are outrageous. $1,000 for a simple t shirt. That's pretty expensive. Or let's say it's extravagant. Let's have the second example. He made an outrageous claim that he could lift 500 pounds with one hand. That's shocking, right? It's insane. All right, let's have the third example. The new rule requiring employees to stay late without overtime pay is simply outrageous. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. I would like you to put this word into practice. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't done so, like this video and share with your friends and family. And I will see you in the next lesson. Have a great time. Bye bye.